Hi, I'm Marko, and today I'm showing you how to use Luxa to create an interactive 3D viewer in just a few simple steps. Whether you're selling products, showcasing designs, or building portfolios, this is the easiest way to do it. Let's get started. First, click New Viewer and select Quick Setup. Today we're using the simplest and most accessible editor Luxa has to offer. This editor is very intuitive and straightforward. If you don't have a 3D model ready, no problem. You can open this menu here and let our AI generate one for you. But I already have a model, a motorcycle helmet in GLB format, so I'll upload that. Now the system asks us to customize the background and lighting using presets. Choose the version that works best for your product. If you don't like the background color, open this submenu and select a different one. Notice we have two color options, solid and gradient. Solid is one color. Gradient lets you blend two colors together. But if you want no background at all, because you'll embed this on your own website with your own background, just click Transparent Background. Click Next to move to the next step. Here's where it gets powerful. We have over 200 PBR materials ready to use, and they're all customizable. To apply a material, simply select it and drag it onto any part of the model you want to change. It automatically applies to the entire surface. When you apply a material, a customization panel appears in the top right. You can modify color, smoothness, shine. All changes happen in real time as you adjust them. Some materials have extra parameters. For example, if I drag the leather material here, you'll see two additional options appear. Texture depth, which controls how strong and deep the texture pattern is, and pattern size, which controls how large the pattern appears. Everything is designed for real-time customization. Let me continue assigning materials to different parts of the helmet. Now comes the most powerful part of Luxa, product variants. Let's say this helmet comes in multiple colors. We want to let customers choose between them. Go to Product Variants. You'll see Default here. That's your current configuration, the one we just created. Click the pencil icon to rename it if you want. Once renamed, click Save as Variant and give it a new name for the color option you're about to create. Now you can either modify the current material or apply different ones from the library. Here's the cool part. If you enable Customers can switch variants, a tool automatically appears that lets your customers change colors just by clicking. No code, no complexity. But wait, there's something even more incredible. You can hide objects in different variants. For example, in the black version, I don't want the visor to appear. I only want it in the red version. Make sure you're on the black variant, then open Show/Hide Parts and select which parts to hide. Now, when customers switch between colors, those parts disappear automatically. No programming required. Click Next. Here you can add a subtle animation to your product while it's loading. Below that, you'll see View in Room. This is the AR feature. Enable this, and your customers can view the product in augmented reality. They point their phone camera and see your helmet in their own space. Click Next again. Give your viewer a name. And that's it. You've created an interactive 3D viewer that you can embed on any website, all done in less than 5 minutes. Remember, this was only the basic editor. In the advanced editor, which we'll cover in upcoming videos, you can do much more. Custom lighting, advanced material blending, detailed analytics, and more. But for most use cases, this quick setup is all you need. That's how you create a 3D viewer with Luxa. Start your free trial at luxa3d.com. Thanks for watching. Luxa, built by an artist, made for everyone.